think it's safe to say that my obsession with Skims is not going to be dwindled down anytime soon. It's just getting deeper and deeper. Hey guys, it's Bella. Welcome back to my channel. If you're brand new, I am so excited to be doing another Skims video. I mention Skims in a lot of my videos because I truly love Skims and the brand and every single item that drops. Almost every single item. I was able to get my hands on some of the Valentine's Day collection that recently just dropped, and I picked out as many things as I could to show you guys, and we're gonna go ahead and get started into this video because man oh man are there some pieces that I am fangirling over. Like, they're just perfect. As always, I will link everything that I'm able to down below, as well as the Skims website. Without further ado, let's get into it. First up, we have this little woven shine moment. So I have the little cami, and I also have the short in the shade Onyx, and I got a large in both pieces. They are going to be sold separately. So starting off with this top, I really do love it. The material is great, it flows really nicely, super great cut. But for me, who is not planning on doing anything crazy on Valentine's Day, I just feel like no need for me to have this. Like, it's cute and all, but I don't know, I don't see a need for it. It shows a lot of underboob. This top is not working in my favor, and I got a large in it, so I feel like if you have a bigger size chest, like I'm a 34D, then this might not be your best bet. Well, I mean, it's for sexy time, I think, but I don't do sexy time, so if I did, I would wear this, but I don't. So that's why it's not practical for me. But if you are in a relationship or you're doing something really cute on Valentine's Day, or honestly just throughout the year, this is the cutest top ever, like, especially in the pink color. And the shorts, don't even get me started on the shorts. They are so comfortable, they are beautiful, they give a little bit of show on the side because it like cuts right there. And yeah, they're not really necessarily high-waisted. They have like a small band like up here. They don't really hug up too high. I got a size large in these and they fit great. I could not have done a medium because my butt is so big, but these are perfect. It's a very flirty set. I just don't have a need to flirt with anyone. So for me, this is just like not practical, but it is an adorable piece. I give it a 10 out of 10. Moving on to a set that I'm super obsessed with, especially this color. It's called the Ultra Pink color, and it is the micro cording V crop top and micro cording V cheeky bikini. So this top is giving me bikini top vibes, and that's the only reason I'm showing it. Otherwise it would be way too risky, but I love the color and the fit is perfect for me, and I'm obsessed with it. And I'm obsessed with the set. The bottoms, oh my gosh, they're so cute. Leave it to your imagination, but super cute. I love this. Fits really nicely, cute and sexy, but it covers and it makes me feel confident, and I like it a lot. The color is beautiful, the cut really adds some spice, and I feel like I can just wear this for myself, honestly. The back is going to be a little bit of a thicker moment, and I definitely couldn't wear this out as like a crop top because my chest is not a small chest. But if you have a smaller chest, you could totally wear this as a crop top, and I think it'd be really cute during the summer. But for me, there's still too much under boob showing when I wear this, but I do love it. It's super adorable, very comfortable. I love the material of all of her stuff that are like this material. Okay, now it's the bottoms. Okay, so I got size large in these bottoms as well as the top, and they are going to be that really high cut, really like hourglass kind of moment vibe. They are cute, let me tell you that. They're very cute. I love the thin little strap on the side. I love how high cut they are. I just think that these are so beautiful and I love them. 10 out of 10. This is possibly one of my favorite items from this whole collection. It is the Soft Lounge button-up Henley onesie. I have it in the shade Camel, and I got a size medium. I kind of don't look like I'm wearing anything in the video when I tried this on, but just know I am wearing this. It kind of like blends into my skin tone, but this is so insanely soft. I love the whole lounge collection, lounge items from Skims. They're just so comfortable. I could literally just cozy up all afternoon in this little two-piece and live my best life. Like, I literally am so comfortable in it, you could kill me. I would like every other color in this, so Skims, if you're watching this, I wear a size medium. You can send me every color, but I'll end up buying them myself if you don't. But this is the best creation ever. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be leaving this nonstop. I also love how the buttons have fabric on them and they're not just like exposed buttons. that's a little detail, but I do appreciate it. And it's just comfortable. Like I could definitely fall asleep in this, even though I try to sleep in something that is as minimal as possible. I could definitely fall asleep in this because it's thin enough to wear to bed and not get overheated for me personally, but this is like my favorite item from this video. So I think this is my second favorite item. So this is the Woven Shine crop top in the shade Raspberry, which is my favorite shade from this whole drop, the raspberry shade. I love it like so much. I do wish there were more shades of this raspberry, but it's okay. Hopefully in the near future. So I do have this in a size large and it looks like this. It's a cute little crop top. You can definitely wear this for sexy time or whatever, but I got it to wear with jeans and to be cute, like going out. And it is just what I had in mind. I love this top. It's so adorable. Can't get the best angle of the back, but that's what it looks like. This top really is a statement. The cut, the fabric, and also the color of it is a full-on statement. The back of it has a little tie, so you can tie it in the back, and it's perfect. It's super flattering on me, and my dark hair just really makes it pop, which I love. And jewel tones are like my favorite range of colors, so this color really is speaking to me, like hardcore. It's like my favorite. This top definitely runs true to size. I love it so much, and I definitely want it in other colors because I feel like this is just a great like versatile year-round top. And I would love to see Skims get more into like the actual like going out tops, so like simple vibes. That would be a great little business adventure. All right, so this is the same micro cording top as the other color. That was ultra pink that I showed you before, and then this one's neon pink, so there's a huge difference in colors. So it's the same thing, but it is like this beautiful like Barbie pink almost. So same cut, same everything, just different color. And I also got it in the bottoms. 10 out of 10 recommend. This is like adorable and it's so comfy. Like I'm gonna be sleeping in this because it's that comfortable. And I totally wish I could wear it as a crop top, but it's just not possible for me. I'm very envious of people who are going to be wearing it as a crop top. Like if only I could do that. Fun fact, the first thing I ever fell in love with Skims was her boxers and her sleep tank. So, you know, my heart is like super happy about this little set right here. This is the bubblegum shade, which is also a perfect little pink. So we have the sleep tank. I get these in a size extra large. These do run small. Like I'm typically medium, the large is even small for me. And I just want it to be a little bit, not like loose, but you'll see it in the video. It's not really loose, it's like fitted perfectly, but these do run small. But these are perfect for sleeping, oh my goodness, or just like lounging around the house. I don't know, just like working from home. This is a working from home vibe if you don't have to be on camera. But I love the shade, I love the material, super soft, super comfy. I would just size up maybe one size in the sleep tanks. And then I have the sleep boxers. These are the bubblegum shade again. And these are perfect. I do the size large and the boxers and they are perfect. I feel like a queen when I wear these. I love the band, I love the material. I also really love the detail right here. Like I think that's like, keep it really like boxer-esque, but this set is adorable. And if you think it like just stopped here, you're wrong because I added another piece to it. A robe. So I have this robe in a size small. It's the soft lounge robe and it's in the shade bubblegum as the same shade as these. I love me a good robe. Like I love getting out of the shower and wearing a robe, or like in the morning when I go get my coffee, like I just like to wear a robe. I don't know, I'm a robe gal. Like I like to be comfy, cozy in a robe. And so this bubblegum pink is just everything. I could not pass up this opportunity, you guys. And it pairs literally so perfect with this, but I even feel like with a little black number or her white boxers and then her white top, this would be super cute over it, but it's perfect. And I feel like I could literally run the world wearing this outfit. And of course it did come with a little string so you're able to tie it around your waist and whatnot. Boom. That is everything that I was able to pick up during this Skims V-Day launch. It wasn't a crazy amount, but I feel like I did good-ish. If you guys want me to do more Skims videos where I get like as many things as possible from the launch, let me know because you guys know I have like this love towards Skims. Like, you know that feeling when you love a brand so much? That's how I feel about Skims. I get so excited about their launches. Like it's a genuine like excitement because almost everything works for me. And it just feels good to know that like I can almost always count on a brand like Skims. And no, I'm not being paid to say this. I bought all this stuff with my own money. But I have worked with Skims in the past on my Instagram, which was the most exciting moment of life. I would love to know your thoughts down below. Let me know your favorite thing from this Skims launch. And then also if you picked up anything, let me know what you picked up. So my quote of the day is just do one thing at a time. I think it's super important nowadays to not flood your day with so many different things. I find that when I focus on one task, like I'm able to execute it a lot better and give it my all. And I feel like there's just such a stigma on productive, but it's a lot easier for a lot of us to focus on one thing and get that done. And that is a-okay. Like, focus on what you can, do what you can do, and everything will always work out. All right, you guys, I'm literally going to go lounge and do some work and school in my little onesie, but I love you guys with my whole heart. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was super fun, and I cannot wait to do more. Also, got a new camera, so if you guys like the quality, the vibe, let me know, because I would love to hear your thoughts and comments and concerns. I'll see you guys in my very next video. Mwah. Okay, guys. Whoa.